Tampa Personal Injury Attorneys. Selecting the proper private harm attorney can be one of the most vital selections you will have to make. After struggling a non-public injury, you are probably weighed down with stress about what will appear next. A non-public damage lawyer in Tampa can help. Who will pay your scientific bills? How will you pay your private bills? When will your lifestyles return to normal? The Tampa non-public harm legal professionals at Winters and 𝐘𝐨𝐿 are right here to assist you through this tough time. If you have suffered a private damage, fill out our contact shape or name us these days at 223-6200 to talk with one of our skilled non-public damage attorneys. We will aggressively shield your rights and pursue most compensation for your damages. Not each and every lawyer will be proper for your non-public damage claim. You want aggressive and skilled illustration to take on giant insurance plan organizations and different large defendants. Clients have been trusting us with their private damage claims for over 2 decades. We have recovered hundreds of thousands for damage victims. Our company has now grown and aspects a crew of attorneys with greater than 115 years of mixed experience. We have open places at some point of the Tampa Bay location to hire serve accident victims, together with Tampa, St. Petersburg, Clearwater, Newport Richey, and Lakeland. We're geared up to exhibit you the equal degree of patron carrier that's earned us the have confidence of limitless clients. We're prepared to supply you the aggressive illustration you want to get better the compensation you deserve. Winters and 𝐘𝐨𝐿 can put you on a stage enjoying discipline with the insurance plan business enterprise, which has limitless sources to battle your claim. We'll furnish you with get entry to your very own resources, inclusive of lawyers, paralegals, investigators, and even professional witnesses, when necessary. We'll use extra than a century of mixed ride to give a boost to your claim. And will aggressively pursue all the compensation you deserve whilst you relaxation and get better from your injuries. After a private damage accident in Tampa, Florida, you deserve to take the time you want to relaxation and get better from the accident. Contact the Tampa private damage attorneys at Winters and 𝐘𝐨𝐿 for felony help. We will aggressively pursue compensation on your behalf. Call nowadays at 301-2622 or click on right here to set up a absolutely free, no obligation consultation. We are accessible 24/7 to take your call. After a non-public harm accident in Tampa, Florida, you deserve to take the time you want to relaxation and get better from the accident. Contact the Tampa private harm attorneys at Winters and 𝐘𝐨𝐿 for criminal help. We will aggressively pursue compensation on your behalf. Call these days at 301-2622 or click on right here to set up a totally free, no obligation consultation. We are handy 24/7 to take your call. What share do most non-public harm attorneys take? 33%. As a commonplace rule, the non-public harm attorney will acquire 33% of the ultimate contract quantity in the case. However, instances that go to trial regularly incur unique costs. The intention of this rate shape is to decrease the client's monetary hazard in hiring and legal professional to characterize them. Will I get extra contract cash with a private damage lawyer? May 4, 2022 verdicts and 𝐘𝐨𝐿 settlements. The effects of an accident for an accident sufferer are costly. However, research have proven that hiring a non-public damage legal professional helps you get greater out of a settlement. What if you cannot have the funds for an attorney for a private harm case? Of course, you ought to locate a 𝐘𝐨𝐮𝐫 bono lawyer, or you would possibly locate anyone inclined to take your case on contingency. That is, if you lose your case, you might not pay. However, if you win, the regulation company will take a component of the cash awarded to you. How lengthy does it take to settle a private harm case in Florida? It will normally take between 4 to 6 weeks for a character to get hold of their non-public harm contract test in Florida. However, this does range relying on the extent of your accidents and the complexity of the auto